me know when I'm lifting. Can I straighten it out now?
No, it's almost sitting on the side. One more. I think it's straightened out. Now you flop down. You're on. Then you're off the ground. Yeah, you're lifting. You're in. Yeah. You're off the ground.
Am I off the ground yet?
Yeah, you're like 4 inches off the ground, John. Alright. A little bit back. Right there. That's pretty bad out.
Can I put it on the ground now?
Nope. Yeah. Put some camber work for him a little bit. Go. Turn to the passenger on your rear, John.
Yep. Wrong way.
Yeah, it's lifting it when you're doing that.
Is it off the ground now?
Yeah, you're like 3 inches off the ground in the back. About a ½ inch off the ground. That's touching.
Okay. I think that's it.
Yeah. That's about out.
Thank you. We're going to go further. I thought 120, 121. I measured it again. Yeah, it's been a couple years since I measured. I'm going to try it backwards now.
Okay. I'll get your wheelbase when you go on the ground.
Sure.
Right there. No, I'll get your wheelbase. Straighten your tire to the passenger. There you go. Say like 119. So go driver, John, just a little bit on the rear. There you go. No, leave this one going that way for right now. Go the other way. There you go. Okay, turn passenger on your rear just a little bit. Right there. Passenger a little bit more. There you go. Leave the driver's side straight.
We're straightened out the rear yet?
No, leave your rear turn just like that. Now go drivers with your front. The other way. Sorry. Go this way with your front. There, right there. Go a little bit more, John. Right there. Okay, turn to the driver on your rear. There. Leave your front where it's at. Go ahead. Okay, you're lifted. Hold on, John. Now you're forward.
Oh, really? Is that good?